Section C. Step 1. Using the mobile view. In Module 1, we saw that Convertri's mobile algorithm adds elements to the mobile page in the order in which they are encountered, from top to bottom and left to right. This would mean we'd have a lot of rearranging to do if the algorithm didn't respect containment. When the mobile algorithm encounters a panel element, it will add that panel and all of the elements contained within it to the mobile page. Panels contained within panels are also respected. So now let's take a look at the mobile version of our page so far by clicking the mobile icon in the top toolbar. Since we used containers when we built the page, all of our elements remain in their containers on the mobile view and are set out one above the other with no need for adjustment. A note on the mobile view and collections. You can make changes to collections in the mobile view just like any other elements. However, if you adjust a collection without making any change to the mobile view first, the mobilization algorithm will automatically run and your changes will be overridden. In order to preserve your adjusted collection, it's necessary to make a change to the mobile view first. You can undo this change afterwards. Step 2. Search Engine Optimization Settings. When we publish our page later on, we want to do it as well as possible in search engine rankings. To this end, let's create a proper title and description and other key information that can be displayed in search engine results. So click on Page in the top toolbar to open the Page Settings dialog. Then click Meta Info. Enter the page title, I Make Beautiful Things. And then enter a dummy page description. The page description will usually appear under the page title in search engine results, but sometimes Google will instead use a part of the page's text that includes the search terms entered by the user. When you're finished, just click Done. Step 3. Publishing the page. Our page is currently unpublished. We can check this at any time by looking at the top bar and seeing the Not Published Yet status. So save your work and then click Publish on the top toolbar. You will be asked to give your page a path for its URL within the domain you set up. Note that your site address will be different from the one displayed here. Let's simply call this one Beautiful Things. Click Publish. And notice that the status indicator in the top toolbar has now changed to Published. Click on View Page next to the status indicator to view your page online. If you later want to make changes to your page, make the changes in the editor, click Save and publish again using the same path. Congratulations, you have now completed Module 2. You know now how to use Convertri to create a beautiful page from scratch and put it live on the internet. You may wish to compare your work to a completed example page by comparing it with the page named About Me Complete, which you'll find in the Module 2 funnel you imported at the beginning of this module.